Testing 1 2 1 2. Okay, cool. Welcome back to another schema scalper video. Uh, this is gonna be pre-market prep for 12th of May 2026. Just gonna be going over some small things. Giving you guys a small look into how I do my preps. I haven't done it like this in this format in a while. I think I need to get back to it because the consistency has been lacking. So hopefully you'll get a daily upload of this, my session, and then a review video, which I'll do with the team. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. So we've got market structure here. This is obviously Nasdaq NQ. We're pushing all-time highs, so there's nothing really that on a long-term basis, or at least looking at market profile, that's stopping us from pushing any higher. We've made a high, which is a weak high, so that is most likely going to get visited again. So the move to the upside to me is not complete, or doesn't seem complete. Let me just remove, or let's keep that up. So that's market profile. I'm gonna carry over the levels. So this will be value area high to value area low. So that's the actual value of yesterday. 9:30 till, just do it like this. 9:30 till 4 p.m. This is Eastern Standard Time. So it'll be 9:30 till 4 p.m. The key things I'm looking at is this value area high, which has single prints. Point of control has been playing a factor in the past couple of days. You can see up here, point of control held price up, and more sellers, more buyers got in at point of control. On this day, something similar happened. Point control not important there. Here sort of, but more value area high, value area low. So recently, point controls have been important, or used as important references. So I do mark them up now. Let's just remove all of this and do my proper markings. So what is important to me is the single print up here, value area high, value area low also important. The close is inside, so if we become a rotational, like if we open outside and we become rotational again, break in, I can look to hold that rotational state and not look for moves to the downside very much. The single prints back here. Actually, I should just clone the other one. Let me clone this one and bring it down. Here to here. Single prints. What else? Bring this down again to where it's supposed to be. So where we're opening now with price 200, so it's down here. So we're likely going to open in this area, somewhere in here. Key levels would be single prints of yesterday, value area high of 2 days ago, value area low a few days ago. The idea is to work the edges. This is my normal ideas. So long of value area low, and short on a retest of value area low. But that is not the first idea. First idea would be long with value area low into the single prints and then watch the reaction at the single prints. Second idea would be a move through the single prints, watching how it reacts above the single prints, and then having a stop somewhere below with the anticipation of value area high getting broken and then a retest for an additional, maybe an additional position here with value area high. And then the main idea would be break of value area high, pull back, and then a move higher to this value area high or all-time highs. So that is my ideas for the day. Let me just actually put it out in writing. So to be to single prints or single prints to value area high or break of value area high. That's the three things I'm looking at. Break of value area high, single prints to value area high, value area low to single prints. I'm not looking for too many short opportunities or looking to short the market too much today. Just because we are in this huge up move coming from a couple of weeks ago actually. And there's a saying, markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So I'm just here staying in the market, trying to take opportunity where I see it. And then, yeah, that's me. So value area low of 2 days ago, so the price is 29,090, about that area, up to 29,320. That's the first range that I'm looking at. And inside that range is single prints. Actually, I should remark that single print excess. Is an area of single prints that I need to look out for and watch the reaction there. And then the next one would be the next range, which is value area low to value area high. Seeing how it gets in there, the reactions around there. And then obviously down here, there's also single prints, which we should be looking at. Let's delete that one, copy this one over. Yeah. And that's very, very close to where value area low is for the day. So that's my ideas for the day. I'll remove this because I don't use it when I'm trading. Point control. Point of controls over that single prints. So, and then this point of control, I would look to act as a support on price. Oh my gosh, I have to now do all this. Act as a support on price once it breaks through. Because here it's supported price, point of control, and here it's supported price, point of control. And that's the two last big rejections or reactions off of it. Cool. Let me actually draw all of these levels out so that you can see it. V eyes. So as you can see, cache session has started, and that means I need to record the other screen. So cheers, good luck and good trading.